What's going on YouTube? It's your boy XL, and today I'm going to replace my windshield wipers on my Mercedes W220. I'm going to go with the Bosch Aero Twins. They're both 27 inches. There's two of them in the box. Here's the back of the box. And this shows that it does fit the Mercedes here and all other types. All right, let's go install these. All right, as you can see, these are the old ones here. I'm getting ready to remove from the vehicle. As you can see, they're torn. And these are the old Raynexes, and they worked out pretty good, but I wanted to try these Bosches out to see if these were better. All right, now that I'm out to the car, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these here. By flipping it up here, you kind of wanna go ahead and bring this part up. That way it slides out. Let's just kind of pull it off. This comes off just like that. Now we're gonna start on the driver's side. And if you notice that when you try to lift up the driver's side arm, it doesn't come all the way up because of the hood here. So we're gonna go inside the vehicle. And I'm gonna show you how to adjust it so that way you can remove the driver's side windshield wiper. Now what you're gonna wanna do is go into the vehicle and turn it on 1. And we're gonna get these windshield wipers going at the first level here and stop it. All right, so I got the car as if I was gonna turn it on. I'm gonna activate the wiper blades. Now that the wiper blades are going, I'm gonna turn it off as soon as it hits the highest point of the car. All right, now that I have the wiper blade up in the air, I can easily fold it back here like so and have access to removing the wiper blade. All right, so I removed the old wiper blade. It came, these are the old Raynex ones. So you would slip the metal piece in here and then fold that over and lock it in. But obviously this piece here was going in, locking it in. The new Bosches, you just pretty much slip them in here like this, and then you flip it over. Once you have it flipped over, just put them back down the way you lifted them up, and now they are on. All you have to do is pretty much lower the wipers back down the way they were. All right, these are the new Bosch wiper blades on the W220. All right, now I have my old Raynexes. As you can see, they were in terrible shape, so I had to replace them. And these new Bosches, I think they're gonna do well. You know, it was very easy to install. The wiping performance is, you know, everything is 5 stars. You know, you definitely want that silence in there. You know, it has the PPP performance. So it's gonna be quiet, all weather, made for your car. Bosch.